So we're meant to have checks and balances when it comes to the pharmaceutical compounds that we put in our bodies to treat and mitigate the symptoms of our diseases. Good science is, of course, very important, and usually pharmaceutical companies will conduct trials to verify the safety and effectiveness of their drugs, and then they'll pass the data on to the regulator and also get it published in journals. Now, there's nothing wrong with making a profit, especially when you're providing a good service. But the profit motive in medicine often leads the pharmaceutical companies to cut corners. Now, the regulators and the journals are meant to catch it when the pharmaceutical companies do that. But there's one big problem. Journals can make a lot of money selling favourable articles to the manufacturers of drugs, and then the manufacturer of the drug posts those articles out to doctors to encourage them to prescribe it. That's why only about 15% of the articles in the medical journals actually report negative results in drug trials. In fact, what happened with Vioxx, for example, is even when it was known that Vioxx was unsafe, the journal refused to withdraw the article and continued to sell $600,000 to $800,000 worth of copies of the article to the manufacturer, which was Merck, who sent it out to the doctors. Unfortunately, the same goes for the regulator as well. The FDA has lots of conflicts of interest in the medical industry, and a lot of their money comes from pharma. The FDA regulator, Dr. Graham, was threatened when he went to the scientific community with losing his job. He was offered a promotion to shut his mouth. Luckily, he saw that as the promotion as a bribe, and he decided not to do that. Now, people think that this is the kind of thing that only happens every once in a while. Unfortunately, the incentive structure of the system, as it stands right now, encourages this quite a lot. So you really need to be careful what you put in your body when it comes to medications, and don't trust the science.